Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. Now when you land up on the sign up page of TikTok and when you try to sign up, TikTok is not letting you create a new account. The one reason that could be is because you've used the same number or the same email address that you already have for a previous account. If that's so, then you can easily solve it by creating a new email address and you can add it in and create a new account. If email address or phone number is not working for you, you can use either of these three options using your Facebook, Google or Twitter. You can easily tap on one of these options and sign up for TikTok through your other accounts. Now I had also faced the same problem previously while I tried to create a new account. Now the way that I fixed it was really easy. I tried to create a new account after a couple of days and TikTok completely allowed me to create one. So you can also try that for yourselves. If TikTok is not letting you create a new account right now, you can wait maybe a couple of hours or maybe even a couple of days and then you can try to create one. You should pretty much be able to create a new account that easily. That was it. That's how you can fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today and I'll be back with more.